Hello folks, and welcome to the unboxing of my Apple iPod 6th generation Nano. It came in this box, which says nothing on here. You've got the logo on this side. Here you have Apple certified refurbished. And here's the... Oh, my camera is out of focus, sorry. And there you have the assembled in China Apple iPod Nano MP3 player. Pink 8 gig. The thing is, I got this new, so I don't know why it's coming in a refurbished box. I don't know, it's an Apple certified refurbished. My camera just doesn't want to focus on it, but there you go. So yeah, I've got a refurbished box. Don't know why that is, but let's have a look inside. I don't have a tripod yet. I don't have the money for one right now, sorry. So we'll try to make this as easy as possible. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, I bought a new one, so and it's coming in a refurbished box. I'm a bit confused. Again, I'm sorry, I don't have a tripod at all. So here we go again. I don't know if you can read this. It says Apple iPod Nano MP3 player display. Like ... display. Pink 8 gig. And in the brackets it says new. And it says new like right on here. I don't think you can see like new. So yeah, maybe they just needed a box to send it in. Let's have a look. This is the weirdest box I've ever seen for a 6 gig Nano. I thought I'd be getting one of those plastic boxes. But mine came in a refurbished box. I'm so confused. So, what did I get? Ah, this is awkward with no tripod. I'm so sorry. So, should be the cabling, I hope. I need to buy a tripod, I know, I'm sorry. Bear with me a second. Okay, so in this little packaging here, we've got the start here, instructions. There should be an Apple sticker. Yes, there is the Apple sticker, yay! Bought it just to get the sticker. Kidding. So let's put this to the side. So yeah, we have start here, little instruction manual. We have important product information. So we get sync and charging cable and Apple headphones. Yeah, these are all new. And the iPod itself. And this really weird looking plastic thingy. Yeah, let's open this up with one hand. Let's put this to the side. So, I don't know why they're sending them off like that, because, well, maybe it's because they don't know how to package the original boxes. I don't know, that's lame. Hold on a second, let me get this out. So this is my iPod Nano. It's pink, it's clippy. Oh, my camera's really old. There are my cats getting a hissy fit. So this is my Nano. It hasn't got a cling film on the front. So they said it's new, right? I think this is a refurbished model. I'm gonna check on it. But yeah, hey, thank you for watching. This is the Nano. I'm gonna check it out whether it's okay and get back to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.